Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about lengthen command. So if you want to just increase or decrease the length of the object, you can use this command, okay? So lengthen command is in modify panel under home tab. So I will just click on this drop down arrow. You can see one of the options. This is lengthen, okay? So this is lengthen command. I will just want to activate. So I will click on this one. Lengthen command is going to activate. Now here you can see some of the options like delta, percentage, total, dynamics. So one by one we will discuss about these options. So here you can see it is asking about select an object to measure, okay? You can measure the object as well. I will select this one. Now it is giving me that current length of the object is 5 unit, okay? So what if I want to just make this as a 10 unit, okay? So let's see these options like delta, percentage, total and dynamics. So first I will just discuss about delta. So I will right click here. I will activate delta here, okay? I will click on this one. Now delta is a difference between current length and new length. For example, current length is 5 unit and the new length that we need is 5 unit. So difference, what is the difference? The difference is 5 unit, okay? So I will just enter 5 unit. What? 5. Then I will hit enter, okay? Now I will just select that object that I want to increase. So I will just click on this side and this length is going to change, okay? From this side, okay? So now the original length of this line is now 10 unit. So this was the delta option. Let's see another option. I will just activate from modify, okay, again, and then I will right click. I will go into the percentage, okay? Now percentage mean that the original length is 5 unit and what we need is 10 unit, okay? It's mean double, mean 200% we need. So I will hit 200, I will enter here 200 and I will hit enter and I will click here, okay? Now it is going to change in this direction. If I want to change it in this direction, I will click on this side, okay? So again, let's see another option. I will go into the modify, I will go into the lengthen and I will right click, and here is one more option, that is total. So total mean what total length do you need here, okay? For example, I need 10 units. So what I will do, I will just click on total, okay? And I need total of 10 unit. Whatever length here is, ignore this one. I need total of 10 unit, okay? I will hit enter, okay? Now I will just click on this one. Now this length is all about total 10 unit, okay? So let's see another option. I will go into the modify. I will go into lengthen command. I will activate this one. I will just right click and here is one more option, that is dynamic, okay? Dynamic mean we have to just give the reference to the line. For example, I want to lengthen this line from this point to this point, okay? From this point, okay? So what I have to do is I will just give the reference, okay? I will select this object. Now you can see it is asking about the reference endpoint, okay? So this is the reference, so I will give this point. So this is all about dynamic. Now what if we want to just decrease the length of the line? So we can decrease as well. What I will do, I will activate the command from here, okay? I will right click and with total option I can decrease the length as well. Now this is the 10 unit line and I want total of 5 unit. So what I will do, I will enter a value of 5, okay? And I will hit enter. Now I will click on that line. Now you can see this line is going to decrease on 5. So this is the method to use lengthen command. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.